Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about comment in HTML. Basically comments add more meaning to your code. It is not available on the web page, but the person who is seeing your code will be able to understand what each and every part is about. Comment starts with an exclamation mark, two minus sign, and then ends with two minus sign. Anything you write between these parts will be taken as a comment. Even if you save this file, it won't show on your web page. Or even a more easy way to comment is select the whole part, click on Control and forward slash. And see, this whole part is in comment. And you can't see it on the web page. This was all about comments in HTML. Thank you for watching this video. This is also the end of HTML sections. If you want me to create more videos about HTML tags, elements, etc., then mention it in the comment section or mail me at techitechnions@gmail.com.